hulaan nyo anong meron. Naami project. So, ano ang gagawin?
Get ready with us to know what is...
Is ba?
Ay, mali!
What's up, what, mga Skillshans? Kabalo ba mo ang sanggama ba?
Malamang wala!
So ano, let's dive into the history of our national living treasures.
Ano, Tara? Uy, ano? Saglit ang Gamaba. Gamaba is an award given to Filipino traditional artists who preserve our cultural heritage. So in short, sila yung buhay na kayamanan ng ating bansa.
Tumpak kayo dyan!
Sino ka?
My name is JP. So, Gamaba, it honors those people in the fields like weaving, dancing, carving, and many more.
Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Ryan. Today, we'll be talking about Gamaba. Do you know what is Gamaba?
No way!
Well, Gamaba stands for Gawad sa Manlilikha Award or National Living Treasures. It was institutionalized in 1992 by the Republic Act number 7355. It was administered by the NCAA or the National Commission for Culture and Arts. By the way, there are 25 cultural masters who preserve our indigenous Philippine folk arts. Are you excited to know them?
Yes!
Let's go!
So, atong first nga cultural master ay si Ginlao Bilog, Masino Intaray, at Samaon Sulaiman. Ug dili sa to kalimtan sila Langdulay, Salintan Munun.
For the lakaw magsihan na, wey.
Bayot, hinay, mapali ang liko.
Dito sa takay.
Sige itong layo nga cultural masters gani.
Wala lang yung kay Baubay. Basta ko na ibawaan. Siya ilain.
Wala ko dyan kaya ni mo.
Uy, gimay di ganyan ako. Biskagway kami.
Wait sa, puragom ni script.
May tama ka.
Mas
Tsaka
katama
meron pa. Sina Alonzo Saclag, Federico Caballero, Uwang Ahadas, Darhata Sawabi, at saka Eduardo Mutok.
Exactly.
Uy, akong nagaling
nandito
uncle.
pa sina Hadja Amina Api, Chofilo Garcia, Magdalena Gamaya, Ambalang Osalin, at Esteleta Tumandan Bantilyan.
At narito pa sina Yabe
Ay.
Masalundolo, Adelita
Ay.
Romaldo Bagtal, at Abigna
Allah.
Dawidi Kugi.
Nandito pa sina Hadja Sakinorin Mugong de Lasas, Fundos Bansilvara, at Marifera Vidas Ganahon.